shopping set a December record last year on this day, spending more than $1 billion online. That record is expected to be broken today. Most online retailers are expected to dole out some major deals on toys, clothing, and gadgets today if you're still looking.
It's good news for me. Today was my shopping day. I was planning to hop online and get all our stuff today.
That's kind of funny. Same here. A couple of my girlfriends were going to be shopping, not online, in stores. I have not purchased these vehicles yet, so I have to do that.
And look at you, Sarah. Although I have no one to shop with, and also it'll be more of a land party. Hey, everybody, bring your laptop over to my house. Let's all shop together.
It's the best time of year for many and the worst of times for others. While some are surrounded by offerings and celebrating the birth of Jesus, others feel helpless, alone, and need to be rescued. I'm Charlie Piper, State Manager. 88.3 is here to help you celebrate and to help introduce people to the Savior. Hope this year doesn't end with the season. We have a need for financial support as well. Will you help with your gift online today at 88.3nowin.com? Thanks.
I love coming home for the holidays and spending time with Mom. I have Mom whenever she's alone. What if she calls from home from work or doesn't feel well? This Christmas, I'm giving peace of mind. Lifeline from Oxford Healthcare. As a part of Fox Health, Oxford offers 24-hour response at the push of a button. With auto alert, her Lifeline can make calls for help even if she can't. And